Hi everyone, I'm Oliver Cowan, a conservation scientist with Endangered Wildlife Trust. You might have heard the term lost species and wondered what this means. Are these just rare animals that went unnoticed? The reality is far more important. Rediscovering these species is a critical part of protecting South Africa's incredible biodiversity. We're home to over 67,000 animal species and more than 20,000 plants, many found nowhere else on Earth. But how do we protect something if we're not even sure if it still exists? Some species haven't been seen in decades, not because they're necessarily gone, but because they're hard to find. They might live underground, be highly mobile, or simply occur in remote, unsurveyed places. That's what we mean by lost species, species that have not been recorded for 10 or more years. When we don't have recent data on a species, they can fall through the cracks and potentially not benefit from conservation safeguards. Environmental assessments might not flag their habitat as important, and development could go ahead without anyone knowing what's at stake. That's why our rediscovery work matters. In recent years, we've helped rediscover species like the orange sandfelt lizard, and earlier this year, the Blyde River flat gecko. With new data, we can now argue for their protection, change their conservation status, and factor them into land use decisions. And here's the best part. This isn't just something scientists can do alone. With tools like iNaturalist, ordinary people are helping us fill in the gaps. In one case, a hiker photographed a snake in the Drakensberg that hadn't been seen for 22 years. Rediscovering lost species isn't about chasing shadows. It's about giving threatened species a fighting chance. Every rediscovery is a reminder that it's not too late. And whether it's a structured survey or a photo snapped on your phone, you might be the one who makes the next big find and contribute to conservation in our beautiful country.